Hello, this is Jeannie, and I'm here with a share. I participated in a sale by a YouTube channel name is GirlieGirl Creates with MichelleH, and I will have that information in the description box below. But anyway, I ordered, I think it was the end of July, and I got this package this week. So just getting a chance to share, and wanted to let you know that she periodically has these sales. So if you're interested, go to her channel, subscribe, and tap on that bell to be notified. That way you know when she is on and doing one of these sales. So I was really excited. She had a lot of unique little things that I was interested in, and I purchased from her. So I'm going to go through here and show you what I have. I tried to take as much out of the packaging that I could so you'd be able to see, but she has these, they're heavy duty. She's made these, she's had them cut out and decorated both sides, the 3 larger ones, and you can see how big these are. But I thought these would be really good for laces because I have a system for my ribbon, but I don't have one here for laces, and I actually got 2 sets of those. And then these are some playing cards she had. You can see what the one side looked like, and then all of the things were different. I wish I'd gotten some more, but I'm happy with what I have, and that's fine. It'd be cool to use that in a journal. Then I love these little dainty ones. There were 2 colors, a red and a blue, and I love this for, I have an Asian book that I'm working on, and we'll see if that clears up at all. And you can see that little bird there. And then I've got some red. And she also had these word cards, and a lot of capricious, macabre, I mean a lot of different words to be able to use in journaling and stuff. So I thought those were kind of unique, so I picked up some of those. I also I have a plan for this. I've got some stamps that I want to use this specifically for, but this is the the little plastic case that comes with it. There's already some pages, but she also included these other panels. They're, you can store stamps on both sides. So I am thinking about, I have some clear stamps, specific clear stamps that I wanted to use this for. So that's the reason why I bought that. And then I also picked up, I don't have any coffee dyed papers, and I know you can coffee dye your own papers, and I hope to, but I liked this particular pattern, this tablecloth, doily, placemat, whatever she used to do this. I love that. And you can see it even comes through on the back side. So I picked up, I think there's 4 here. And then I also got some coffee dyed papers, which, yeah, I don't have any coffee dyed papers either. So I'm looking for those plastic doilies, placemats, whatever. So if you all find them, let me know where. I've been looking, and they're either out of my price range or just haven't come across one yet. And then just some regular coffee dyed paper. And I also picked up this, these are tissue papers, but they're all different, and I'm not going to fold these all out, but just to give you an idea how big it is. See how big that is. So that's really cool. Oh, hello. I didn't really take it out. Oh, it's like a big sheet. A big sheet. So I was tickled to get that. And like I said, they're all different. And I like the butterflies on this one. Cut them apart using the journals. I like this one. It says Baltimore on there, and I'm from the state of Maryland, so we have a Baltimore. Little cherubs. And another one. Some more of those butterflies. And this one. Alright. And then I also got some of these bags. These, I think they were 5 for $1.25. I couldn't pass those up. So I got a couple of those. And then this was a unique thing. Oh, sorry, let me share it with you closed. So there apparently is a whale tail punch, and I believe it was sold through Stampin' Up. And I've never been able to find one. Excuse me. But anyway, she made this really cute little holder, and she punched out all these whale tail punches, and let me see how big they are. And they came in this cool little holder. Let me turn this over. And there is a lot of them. There's at least 2 in each. Actually, I pull them out. So I picked that up. I thought that was unique. And, you know, if I use all of those, which I can't imagine I would, but if I do, I'm sorry, it's my phone. That's a cool little organizer. She also had made this little bee journal, which is adorable. So I hope to be able to fill it up. This will be a bee journal. But she also has these fabric, and I forget what she calls them. Isn't that awful? But you got like a little specimen tag with a bee, and then cute little fabric. If I find the name, I will put it below. But I totally have spaced out on what the name is. And this is the same, but there is some different fabric on this one. I also picked up some of this Chinese paper. Chinese or Japanese, sorry. I'm going to say Japanese. But I have an Asian book that I will use that for. And then I was running out of envelopes, and she had 10 envelopes for $1.25 in their various sizes. So I went ahead and picked up 3 of those because I didn't have any envelopes. So I have some now. And then the very last thing I bought was this, which was this Gardening Made Easy, step-by-step to a beautiful garden. Now this is really bought more for thinking to alter it, use the pages, whatever I want to do with it. But I love the look of it. Some of these things fold out, and I think it's just a cool. I'm gonna have to really look at it well, because I do not have much of a green thumb, and I'm so proud of myself this summer. This is the first summer I haven't potted any vegetables, but because we have very sandy soil here, and not a whole lot grows other than weeds and ivy, and what else do I have out there? Blackberry bushes, and I have something else that really grows. Mock strawberries. Those are prolific in my backyard. But anyway, So this year I planted some basil in a pot, and I was very pleased because that basil is growing. So have that to use. But anyway, so I picked this up. I thought this was really unique, and thank you, MichelleH, for all the work you do in putting that together, and I look forward to the next sale. And thanks for everybody for watching. Have a great week. Bye.